Oracle Cloud Services, they render all our 3D imagery, which is the backbone of what we provide. At Reconstruct, we bring P6, Primavera 6 to life in 3 dimensions. We also run our 3D rendering system on Oracle's cloud services. What this does is it provides a 3D timeline for construction executives and their job site teams to really create construction safer and faster to make our world a better place. We had one $300 million hotel project, which was running behind like 54% of the time. We were able to increase that on-time rate all the way up to 70% on time in a matter of only 8 weeks of time. As well as rework in the construction industry is a nightmare because it costs time, labor, and money, and we were able to knock that down 67%. And so what did it do? It actually got this giant $300 million project done a month and a half earlier than anticipated.